There's a reason all-star teams draw a hard vacuum. Greetings, I'm Dr. Will, and welcome to Dr. Will's Software Project Leadership Channel, where we focus on building real software to solve real problems. A team is not a collection of individuals. If it devolves into that, then you can stand back and watch it disintegrate. Notice that word, disintegrate. To lose cohesion or unity, the loss of integrity. If you've already subscribed to the channel, and thank you, appreciate that. If you'd like more content like this, then subscribe and hit the bell below to be notified of new content. How does a group develop integrity, wholeness, cohesion, unity? How does it become a team? Credit where due, I've drawn some of this from the website thebalancedcareers.com, where you can find some interesting blogs on business management and leadership. We'll post the link below. To be a team, a group needs to have or to develop, first of all, trust, mutual trust of the team members. If it isn't mutual, then it's a problem. Different people have different levels of trustworthiness and what I call trust willingness, which is a person's baseline predisposition to trust others. There must be at least enough mutual trust on a team so that people aren't walking around with their backs to the wall all day. An interesting article from June 2009 by Roderick Kramer in the Harvard Business Review, which is on their website, linked below, is Rethinking Trust. He argues for tempered trust. And I quote, "Salting your world with lots of small, trusting acts sends a signal to others who are themselves interested in building good relationships. It works because it's incremental and thus manages the risks intelligently and contingent, that is, tied to reciprocity. By taking turns with gradually increasing risks, you build a strong and tempered trust with the other person." When you think about it, tight-knit teams all are built that way. The individuals learn to rely on each other increasingly over time. Over time. It doesn't happen overnight, which is one reason why ad hoc teams have trouble gelling. Besides the fact that it's just a group of individuals, this is one reason why all-star teams suck. There is no time to build resilient levels of trust. Besides trust, the team has to have shared values. Everybody needs to buy in, more or less, on the common expectations of accountability or commitment discipline. We can advertise all day long that the team has extreme accountability. It may even be in our corporate value statement. But if the team members don't buy in, it's just a despair.com poster waiting to happen. Shared accountability for team success or failure. The whole team wins or loses together. Performance and communication. Clear expectation about the level of performance and how often the team will communicate. There also needs to be an agreement or consensus on things like how the team will make difficult decisions. Difficulty as in somebody's not going to get his way. That somebody needs to already have signed up to accept the decision if and when it goes against him. You know you have a gelled team when the wrong decision is made and the person who had the right idea to begin with and was proven right feels badly. Next, how the team will deal with differences of opinion. Civilized people and some developers know how to agree to disagree without it becoming personal. Flintlocks at 20 paces is probably not a good way to moderate differences of opinion. In an engineering environment, the proof is in the pudding, which I think means the whiskey is in the cake. It's engineering, not personal. Finally, how the team members will support each other. Nobody left behind, right? Read up on the Navy SEALs to get a sense of what it takes to form an elite team. With respect to training and team formation, the SEALs have an 80% washout rate. You cannot afford that. But if you're trying to build a top-notch team, then you have to have the wherewithal to absorb a certain amount of tech churn as you let underperformers go. Chances are good that you do not have that kind of wherewithal, in which case you are building a team from average performers that you generally don't want to lose, unless they are way below average. This channel is dedicated to helping software projects succeed not just in the short term, but in the long. So if you like more content like this, then be sure to subscribe. Hit the bell below to be notified of new content. If you have any questions, complaints, issues, or concerns, be sure to put them in a comment below, and we'll get to them later. That's it for me, for you for now. Hope you have a great day and a great week. You be careful out there. I'll be seeing you. Bye.